Alright guys, welcome back to One Pretty Little Box and to another grocery haul. I went to Walmart and this is what we got. A case of Dr. Thunder, a 32 count thing of Ozarka water, a 6-pack of Coke Zero, 3 gallons of water, 6 cans of dog food, a 4-cup pack of shredded cheese, lettuce, green onions, cucumbers, carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower, cucumbers, sour cream, some turkey lunch meat, and some ham lunch meat, 2 cans of biscuits, 2 cans of cinnamon rolls, butter, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 pounds of ground beef, sliced cheddar cheese, tomatoes, broccoli, and carrots, a half gallon of Bluebell's Cookie 2-Step Ice Cream. I need to get that in the freezer. Oh, and there is a pork femur right there for the dog. And then you have an air filter, some hamburger buns, rolls, ciabatta buns, Crisco oil, my Splenda yeast, some Swiffer wet for the mop, shell pasta, 2-pack of ranch mix, onions, potato chips, croutons, bacon pieces, some enchilada sauce, and some green chilies, and a thing of cream of mushroom, jumbo shells, potatoes, pork ramen, chicken ramen, and Velveeta. And that's it. That will do us for at least the week, if not more. And I will show you guys a menu plan in my peek into my planner on Monday. Talk to you later. Bye.